Rahim. There you go. This is a beautiful village life, healthy village life. MashaAllah. This is the life where people live with animals together. They depend on each other. They help them to feed them food on daily basis, and on return they give them milk. So here I'm going to show you some videos which can tell you how they live together, stay together, and they can't live without each other. So there is few videos. सैलड के तौर पर इस्तेमाल होते हैं गोंगलू। कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं। They're collecting here. The kids over there, they're gonna come to pick them and they're gonna separate them, and after wash they're gonna sell into मंडी। और मंडी में तकरीबन ये 600-700 का जो 25 kg का बैग होगा, 600 से 700 इसका रेट है। So this is a daily earning of the village people. They have very less source of income, but still they are very happy in their lives. They have peace, greenery, fresh air everywhere. There's a life. They don't have luxury life, but they are happy life. They have a happy life. Look at that. This guy is collecting, and they're putting over there, then they're cutting into, separating them, and they're putting into the bags.
Sami, Sami, तेरे माँ की अतरोड़ा हो गया
After hard work, they need a chill. These guys are chilling, playing a game. I don't know the English name of this game, but in local language it called Gajichara.
ਤੂੰ ਦਾਣੇ ਦੋ ਲਾਉਣੇ ਗੱਜੀ ਲੈ ਇੱਕ ਹੱਥ ਗੱਜੀ ਚੰਗਾ ਸਭ ਸੁੱਕੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਤੇ ਆਵੇ ਤਾਂ ਗੱਜੀ ਲਾਏਗਾ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਸੁੱਕੀਆਂ ਤੂੰ ਤੇ ਆ ਗਈ ਨਾ ਕਿਹੜੀਆਂ ਪਤਾ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਇਧਰ ਤੇ ਤੂੰ ਕਿੱਦੀ ਤੋਂ ਡਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਓਏ ਉਹ 8 ਗੱਜੀ ਪੈਂਦੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਤੇਰੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਸੀ ਆ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਪਰ ਰੇਡ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਬੈਠਾ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਹੋਰ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਕਰ ਗਿਆ ਨਾ ਬਸ ਲੈ ਉਹ ਚੱਲਦਾ ਕੋਈ ਆ ਗਈ ਆ ਗਈ ਆ ਦਾਣੇ ਸੋਡਾ ਵੜਦੀ ਉਤਾ ਸੋਡਾ ਉੱਥੇ ਹੋਣਾ ਹੀ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਐਨੇ ਆ ਗਏ ਮਾਰ
Few are relaxing. They need a rest. They're sitting there.
ਦਾਣੇ ਦੋ ਵਾਲੀ ਨਾਲ ਦਾਣੇ ਦੋ
Smoking hookah.
ਕਰਕੇ ਟੋਰ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਟੋਰ ਉਹ ਗੱਜੀ ਲੈ ਗਿਆ ਕਿ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਗੱਜੀ ਲੈ ਉਹ ਥਾਂ ਦਾਣੇ ਦੋ ਗੱਜੀ ਲੈ ਦੋ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੋ ਬਚਾ ਦਾਣੇ ਤਿੰਨ ਵੀ ਆ ਜਾਣਗੇ ਲੈ ਲਓ ਤਿੰਨ ਮੈਂ ਖਿਆਲ ਜੇ ਖੜਕਾ ਕੇ ਛੱਡ ਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ
It's milk time now. Small baby buffalo make her mom ready to get milk. He tied her legs in case if she moves, she not throw the milk out. Mashallah, fresh milk, pure and fresh milk. Now is the sunset time. The old people, they're going back to their houses. The houses are there, small houses made with mud, and here the animal also need rest, so they will cover them with the cover area. They will tied them with the cover area so they can save them cold outside. Look there, they all are in there, so they cover. Look there, in the morning they're gonna come back outside here for sunbathing. Sunset time. These goats are still eating. After they're gonna finish their food, they will tie them inside as well. They have few minutes to eat. In the choker and let them feed. They're gonna good for health in it. So looking after the animals is not easy job, you know. The people think they are very easy, but not easy job. Look, they take that thingy inside to feed those formula to the buffaloes. Look at that. So he's making sure so he can distribute equally to everyone. This is something like a sweet dish after food, isn't it? So this goat is calling again. She might something else, or she looking at some more the recipe, the formula. Beautiful cows, natural beauty around here. Look there. These after they drink, they gone back inside. They have enough intelligence in their mind. Look, still drinking water. Soon they're gonna finish drinking water. They're gonna go back to their house is back. Look, he's cleaning his face and going back. Look, go back to their mother. This one last one is left, and he gone back as well. The inside gonna have nice sleep. Look, they're finding their place to stay night. Mashallah, beautiful life. Having a rest. Look there.
Good morning.
The birds are
Very
saying good morning
again.
to each other. Sun is rising. They came for good morning. The breakfast for dogs and so their mother not give them enough milk. So this guy helping them to get more milk. They're feeding them with the bottle of milk. So now is his turn. He communicate with them and they understand what he's saying to them. They not let them to walk freely because that could be dangerous for them. Because dogs are here, they might bite them. You know, so that's good for their security. Three already had enough milk and the last one is drinking. He's saying to others. Wait till your turn. Wait of your turn, and till half gonna finish, I'm gonna give you the remaining. And he not understanding what he's saying. He keep struggling to get that. Her mother is calling. I think she is saying something. I think she appreciating what he is doing. He is feeding their kids in. इनका जो गोबर है अभी इसको भी हटाने का टाइम है. The guy over here he gonna clean the dung, you know. और उसके बाद यहाँ पे they gonna clean with water. Came to collect milk. They collected the milk and now he's going for sale in a city center in town. He collect milk from here 175 rupees and he gonna sell out in the town 200 and something. So the above the cost they're gonna be his profit. So this is Sarkar. From this milk money they're gonna help the owner to get further food from these animals.